Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Augtkeou bicycle pump. It's an air pump with pressure gauge and it can inflate up to 11 bar to the 160 psi. It's a floor air pump for bicycles with bicycle tire repair kit for cyclists, for motorcycles, for BMX, ATVs, and more inflatable rubber. This floor drive with an air pressure gauge means the bicycle pump has an accurate, readable air pressure gauge that holds 160 psi. There are 11 bars. It displays the exit air pressure during inflation and makes it easy to visualize and adjust the correct pressure. And we're complete with the bicycle repair materials in this set here. The bicycle pump comes with the tire repair kit. The patch of the bicycle repair kit is flexible and stretchy. It works well on most hoses and other inflated items, and it is a particle tool for repairing tires, air mattresses, rubber boats, paddling pools, and more. And compatible with universal valves. Unlike the conventional floor pumps, only one valve is needed to be compatible with the most bicycles. Whatever, AV, SV, FV, PV, we insert the valve and break it upward, which is the lock position, and it can be used directly. And with ergonomic handle and steel tube, the pump has a non-slip top layer, an ergonomical rubber handle with a long hose for all valves, which ensures easy pumping even under high pressure. The long hose for all valves ensures easy pumping even under a high pressure too, and the hose body is made of the steel tube and it is equipped with a heat and cold resistant TPU hose, which is soft and lightweight, and it makes pumping easier. The package contains a bicycle tire repair kit and a floor pump set. A multifunctional bicycle pump for inflating is some things every family needs. And it is compact design, but it's strong. So the Augtkeou bicycle pump, it's an air pump with pressure gauge and a bicycle tire repair kit. The smart breath function. Unlike the conventional cartridge designs, a single mouthpiece can be used for two models, for French and American valves, high quality materials for steel pipes, and the tube body is made of steel tube which extend the service life, of course. It's a multifunctional floor pump. It is equipped with a precise air pressure gauge so we can read every time we need pressure. We see the pressure what we inflated before. And it's really easy because you can dock it to the valve, as you see in that video here. Then you go to the lock position, and then you can start inflating. If you have a hole in your tube, for example, you can use the tube lift levers, which are included too, two of them. Then you can remove the tire easily from the rim. And after this, pump it a little bit up to see where the hole is. Maybe dip it underwater, for example, to see where the hole is. And then you can start by sanding, included the sand. Use the sanding plate, and you sand the area around the hole. Then you use the lubricant, get it onto the hole and nearby, and then you use the patch. Peel off the patch, get it in position, hold it there for a minute, then pump it up a little bit, hold it again, and let it rest a little bit. Only a little bit. And then vulcanization job's done. You can get the tube back into position, pump it up to your standard pressure by using this air pump here, and then you can go back to the road. This is a very portable, complete repair kit that we can easily take with us wherever we go. A big tire repair kit, repair for tires, air mattress, ATVs, paddling pools, etc. The patch box is only 95 grams and the same size. The bicycle repair kit makes the hose so good as new. And a backpack or a waist bag. The mattress steel housing height is 40 to 500 millimeter. The handle size is 220 millimeter. The air belt size is 770 millimeter. The air pressure is up to 160 psi. And suitable nozzles are American and French nozzles. The weight is 995 grams and the color is black. And we have a high quality steel material, ergonomic handle, tire part repair set, non-slip foot floor mats, a precision barometer, and universal nozzles. All this comes with this set to you if you like. This is the Augtkeou AOU bicycle pump. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.